Hello, everybody. Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice with Epicure, of course. So, who wants to see the new catalog? Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Let me just kind of walk you guys through it. I'm not going to take too much time talking. I'm just going to click through because this will be launching May the 1st. So, you have first access. Woohoo, right away. So, here you go, you guys. So obviously the little intro, of course, the never ever list, which is amazing. This is what you would tell your customers if they go, well, why is Epicure so exciting? This is it right here. Our never ever list means none of this will be in any of our Epicure products. It is non-GMO, gluten-free, no nuts, and kosher, which is amazing. Here we go. Clicking through for you guys. If you want to see a page longer, please do not hesitate to just stop the video and then you can see it for longer. I'm just kind of clicking through for you guys. The pictures are kind of blurry. I apologize because I did kind of zoom in so you guys could see it really well. Our meal kit collections are amazing. You all need them all. They are so nice, especially for a gift for somebody who's just moving into their new home, something along those lines. They're perfect for students. We love them. I'm just kind of flipping through here, you guys. There we go. Again, if you guys want to see a page for longer, do not hesitate to stop the video and then you can see it for longer because, oh, we just have so much to go through. I love it. I cannot wait to get the new catalogs in the mail. Like, seriously, there's something here for everybody, and the price points are amazing. I can't say that enough. Super excited. There we go. So if you guys haven't eaten yet, you must be pretty hungry, huh? And I'm going to upload a video after this too that will be a lot quicker, just kind of going through the pages. I won't be doing any talking, so if you guys are sick and tired of me talking, please, you can always watch the other video. We have new products, everybody, and seasonal. If you're looking for a seasoning, Epicure is the way to go. Oh, we have so many amazing things. I can't wait. I can't wait to just order like crazy. Usually I have a lot of online parties the beginning of the month because everybody can't wait to order, which makes us happy, right? Because we get commission. Woohoo! Yum. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry. I just had dinner too, but I want a little bit of everything. Flipping through, you guys. Oh, that looks yummy, eh? Mmm. Seriously, there's something here for everybody. Moving along. I can't wait to see our new teas. I don't think we've come across that page yet, right? We have the most amazing teas. If you haven't tried our teas yet, oh, they are so good. And our salt, we have many different sea salts. Check them out. They always sell out. They're the most amazing things. And our turmeric and black pepper, oh, you need that. Talk about healthy. That's all I got to say to that one. Talk about healthy. Check this out. Oh, this is our new summertime tea, you guys. How good does that look? And remember, nothing artificial in our teas. So you can make an amazing cocktail, you guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I want that like now. So see, it's called the Blue Butterfly. So this would be the iced tea blend. That's pretty cool, right? So the color changes from blue to pink or purple with a squeeze of lemon or lime. How cool is that? We have the coolest things ever, just saying. So you can make some pretty neat cocktails, a lot healthier than those like sugar ones because Epicure is healthy, remember? Oh, we have a roll up rack. Okay, that's pretty awesome. $35. How did I miss that one? Oh my gosh, you guys, I want two already. A roll-up rack. I cannot tell you how often We are looking for a rack in our house. We use them for everything, and $35 is a great price. And again, there's no chemicals on any of our cookware, so that is huge, right? Huge. Oh, I can't wait. Customers are going to love that. Our cookware, you can never have enough, honestly, and our cookware lasts forever. Such amazing quality. Let me flip through. This was so popular last summer, you guys. I'm so glad it's back. With the baking dish, I have two of them. They're the most amazing things. If you're looking for something, you need those. Our pots and pans, of course, amazing quality. You cannot get anything nicer. Just amazing. Our steamers. Everybody loves our steamers. We have a large one. We have a nice small one. So you have options. Who's excited? Please make sure to comment below. Let me know how excited you are. And our pans, oh my goodness, these have been so popular. Easy cleanup, easy to store, and healthy. There's no chemicals on our silicone. Fish taco, oh my God, love, love, love fish tacos. I will be making a lot of those this summer. I love fish tacos. They always taste so good in the restaurant. That's something that I need to learn how to do myself. So yeah, you guys, there's our catalog. If you are thinking about being a part of this amazing company, please let me know. I am so happy to help. You make 20 to 25% commission, depending on obviously how much you do sell, which also means if you buy for yourself, you get 20 to 25% off. All you have to do to have a qualified cooking class, meaning you will get tons of stuff for free, or if your host hosts the cooking class, obviously, then they will get the stuff for free too, is you need a minimum of $250. That is so easy. Trust me, people love Epicure. I find on everybody's order seems to be an average of $50 to $75. So see how that can add up pretty fast. Amazing, right? So even if you know somebody who's like, oh my goodness, I want everything, tell them to host their own party, either at home or online, and show them this. Say, hey, if you sell at least $250 worth of products, you will get free stuff. And if you don't, that's okay. There is no pressure, but why not try, right? And I find that a lot of people, if they know that if they buy even just a little bit of something and that helps somebody get some free stuff, they go, oh, okay, well, then I'll take this. Who doesn't need another salt and pepper? I will take that. Who doesn't need another, spatula? I will take that, so people love that. I'll just kind of flip through, but I believe we're at the end of the catalog. How awesome is that? I am so excited. Thank you guys for listening. I'm going to do another one next to just kind of go through the catalog a lot quicker. So if you guys do not want to hear me talk so much, that will help. So this catalog is from May the 1st to August the 31st, our spring and summer catalog. Have a nice night, everybody. And if you haven't yet, make sure to hit subscribe so that you can hear all of the new videos as they come. Thank you guys. Have a nice night. I will talk to you later.